Wait, this whole cinematic video you just saw was not shot on a camera. It was made completely using AI, yes, AI. And not the cringe AI clips you usually see. I'm talking about full cinematic shots, camera angles, emotion, and smooth speed ramping. And the AI that is blowing up right now is Higgsfield AI. Now listen, for the longest time, AI video had one big problem. Not quality, not resolution, not even motion. It was emotion. AI could generate clips, move cameras, animate scenes, but something always felt off. It looked cool, but it never felt like real filmmaking. Like, no cinematic timing, no proper expressions, no director level control. Basically, good visuals, but zero soul. But today, that gap is finally getting smaller because Higgsfield just launched Cinema Studio 2.0, and this is actually insane for editors and creators. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step and how you can create cinematic AI shots like a film director. No complicated setup, no VFX software, no After Effects, just AI. So yeah, watch till the end. This tool is actually crazy. First, open your browser and search for Higgsfield AI, link in description. Once you open the site, you'll land on the main dashboard, and immediately you'll notice this is not just a simple AI generator. You get multiple sections like image, video, edit, character, vibe, motion. But the main feature we are using today is Cinema Studio 2.0. So click on it. Now this is your main workspace, and you'll see two core modes, image and video. Always remember, every cinematic sequence starts with a strong first frame. So we start with image mode. Now here, just type a simple prompt. For example, a man in hazmat suited in a post-apocalyptic industrial in green toxic haze. Below the prompt, you'll see all the important settings. First, batch generation. You can generate up to 4 images at once. You can even choose cinematic 21:9, but I'll go with 16:9 for now. Then comes resolution. And yes, you can go up to 4K for maximum detail. Now this is where it gets interesting. There is something called grid. This lets you preview multiple variations like 2x2, 3x3 or 4x4 layouts, which is perfect for storyboarding your scene. Just set everything. Now, here's a very powerful feature. Click on the plus icon in Elements. This allows you to upload a reference character. So if you are making a story, your character stays consistent across all shots. Just upload an image, name the character, describe it, and save. Now, you can simply type @ and select the character inside your prompt. Same character in every scene. This is huge for storytelling edits. Now, this is my favorite part. Camera control. Click on camera settings and you get full cinematic control. You can select film format, lens type, focal length, aperture, which basically means you're not just generating an image, you're directing it like a cinematographer. You can literally control depth, framing, and mood. Set your settings and hit on generate. And look at this. The depth of field looks natural, lighting is cinematic, and subject separation is clean. Honestly, this does not feel AI generated. It feels a proper movie shot. Now, this is where it gets crazy. Hover on your image and you'll see multiple options like animate, reuse prompt, generate 3D scene, reference, what's next. It feels like virtual cinematography. First, 3D scene. When you click it, you can literally move inside the image frame. Yes, you can control the camera angle, perspective, and composition manually. Once you find the perfect angle, just click capture shot and done. New cinematic frame ready. Now, there is another feature called what's next. And this is not just variations. It actually generates different story directions from your base frame. So if you're stuck with ideas, this gives instant creative inspiration without starting from scratch. Now, let's move to the real fun part. Switch to video mode. Here you'll see the director panel. From here, you can control camera movement, speed ramping, duration, and shot style. Yes, speed ramping is built into generation, not added in editing, generated natively, which is why the motion looks so smooth. You get 3 main modes: single shot, 1 cinematic clip, multi-shot auto, automatic sequence, multi-shot manual, full scene control, up to 6 scenes. For most creators, multi-shot auto is the best option. It automatically creates a cinematic sequence from just 1 prompt. Now, paste your prompt or you can leave it empty. Set the first frame from the image we generated. Choose aspect ratio. I recommend 21:9 for cinematic look. Then select resolution, set duration from 3 to 12 seconds, and even genre. Yes, you can choose genres like action, comedy, horror, suspense, spectacle, and etc. You can also enable audio generation and batch variations. Now click generate and let AI cook. And just look at the results. smooth motion, cinematic depth, proper framing, and cohesive storytelling. This is honestly one of the biggest upgrades in AI filmmaking tools right now. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description and experiment with your own cinematic ideas. And tell me in the comments, what type of film would you create if you had unlimited AI budget? As always, keep watching, keep editing,